What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another one. It's been a while, so I thought I'd give you a pumpkin update, and there's been a lot of growth since last time you've seen this guy. If you haven't followed the series, go back, watch the last video, because you'll see the massive amount of growth that this thing has done in a while. So let me get you turned around here and you can see for yourself. Here she is in all her glory. She's actually already grown out of the space that I started with, which was this 3x3 square. Whenever I first planted it, I was like, that's what I'm going to do, just make a small patch in case it dies, something like that. And it's growing like 6 to 8 inches out every day, and then it's putting on quite a bit of extra growth in here. Got some blooms coming up, probably a male flower there. And I've got, where's it at? What will probably be my little pumpkin right there. And he's just about the size of my thumb. So I got some more little roots coming off that I've been throwing some dirt on, trying to get them to grow and get this thing rooted throughout and growing as much as I can. I'd like to be a little bit bigger. I think when I started off in the pot, I should have had it out in the ground earlier, but I didn't have a hoop house to keep it warm while it was still cold. It was pretty cold late this year, so didn't get it quite in there, ground at least, as early as I'd like. I've had a little bit of worm damage right here on this leaf, but for the most part, they've not really had much get into it yet, so I'm pretty happy about that. And we are growing. Feed it about twice a day, so not twice a day, water it twice a day, and then feed it about twice a week with fertilizer. And this is as far as we've got so far. And this is just run-of-the-mill giant Walmart pumpkin seed, and I just picked out the healthiest plant that came up, and I think it's probably about 4 weeks now since my last update. It's grown to about 7 or 8 feet long probably, and we're still growing. Got a lot of new growth there at the end on both. I didn't know how this plant would work out, just because here where it came out, it didn't have a single main path of growth. It split, so being my first time growing and just using Walmart seeds, I think I'm having some fairly good success. Pretty short video, really. I just wanted to get an update for you. I hadn't had anything out in a while. Been working on a lot of other projects that you'll probably see coming up soon on the channel. If you liked it, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Maybe subscribe. Go ahead and watch the entire series of me growing this giant Walmart pumpkin, and we'll see just how big we can get that sucker this year. So hopefully that thing will bloom in maybe the next 2 weeks. It's June 1st today, so you'll probably see, if you're actively watching this today, and if you're watching in the future, well, you'll see when my pollination date will be. I figure it'll be in the next 2 weeks, so we will see if that holds true, but I would say it won't be long, and we will have a pumpkin to start really feeding, really watering, and trying to get as big as we can. So till next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.